How to fix TikTok following too fast problem. So first thing you want to do, guys, to fix this problem, open the settings and then go to the apps manager. After you open the apps manager, on this page you will find all the apps that you have on your phone. So all what you want to do here is just wait a few seconds and then you have to scroll and then you'll find TikTok. Click on it and now click on the force stop option. When you click on the force stop, now you have to go down into the storage. Wait a few seconds, it will start computing all the data number. And after that, click on the clear data option and clear cache. And now go back and click on the power usage details and then disable the power consumption alert. That's it, guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial until the very end. See you later.